And you always, always, always need to follow up. Multiple emails for each campaign. I have a campaign going for Super Sign Up System right now. In that campaign, I sent one email out. Go buy it. In the second email, I sent out what it does for you. In the third email, 3 emails to my same list. In the third email, there's a bonus. In the fourth email, I know there's a fourth email. I think, the bonus is expiring, so you got to get it now. That's 4 emails. The first day, made most of my sales. The second day, made about 50% of what I did on the first day. Third day, a lot of people bought because then I threw out the bonus. On the fourth day, even more sales than on the first day because I told them the bonus was going. So that made me a lot of money. Had I only done that one email, I would have not had any of that money. I'd have just had the money from that one email. Now I'm going to give you guys a quick start to writing your emails. This gets into a little bit of copy stuff. I want you guys to pay very close attention to this statement. This is the key to making people buy from you in your emails. If you are able to present a problem in this is a really long sentence, in a clear manner in your subject line, then amplify the problem in the body, and then finally offer a life-saving solution after you amplify that problem and a call to action to get that solution. You will look like you are a friend helping another friend in need. Now, I made that one huge long sentence for a reason. You have to do it all. There's not step 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's all of this together. Let me give you guys an example. Oh, sorry, guys. I said it was important. You guys took me seriously. We don't have any English teachers in the room, do we?
Yes.
Oh!
I thought
Uh-oh. My English teacher would be so proud.
That was a quiz, wasn't it?
That's not even a run-on sentence. That's like a run-on paragraph. Pardon me?
It's your own artifact.
Exactly. Everybody got that down?
I don't know if I can make a suggestion. I think that instead of all of us writing everything that we see on what you guys have there, that we should get photocopies, even though we do paper.
The PowerPoints?
Yes. I'm just suggesting.
Yeah, I can put them on I'm actually building a resources page for you guys.
Yeah, we can create PDFs on that.
Yeah. Yeah, because you can just hit the PDF button. Sure. Okay, so this will be available. You guys can get rid of the writer's cramp from my run-on paragraph. Okay, so an example of what I just said. Subject line. Are you failing online? It addresses the failure. Okay, failure is a big thing. You say failure and everybody's like, okay. Now this, I kind of didn't do a very good example because the subject line should be a benefit or the cure. And this is a question, so it's asking, hey, do you need a cure to this? Hey there, first name, I have a question for you. Are you failing online? Yes? Then this is going to be one of those emails that hits a nerve. But I felt I had to send it to you so that you know you're not alone and there is hope. Talk about how painful failing is. You guys know how painful that is. It's pretty spendy. When you're failing at doing the online stuff, you don't know how to build a website, you're not making any sales, you can't drive traffic, you don't even know how to sign up for an AWeber account. You know, life just sucks. Okay, so that's basically what I would say there. As I said, though, there is hope. I just found XYZ course, and I had to immediately get in touch with you about it. Go into life-saving solution. I just found Send Button Profits. You don't have to know how to build a page. You don't have to know how to brand your stuff. You don't know how to do a download page. Does it all for you. Tell them all about that. Okay, First Name, as you can see, you do have a chance to start succeeding. Failure is going to become a thing of the past for you. Go grab Send Button Profits and get yourself on the path to success. Gave them their problem. I really got their emotions going by really relating to them and understanding what it's like to get started online. I've been there, guys. I started doing the online stuff when I was 15, so the techie stuff really comes easy for me. But as far as getting out there and doing it and learning to drive traffic and learning how the autoresponder works and learning about upsells and OTOs and how to get them all hooked together, I've been there. P.S. Give a killer limited bonus or create scarcity in some other way. Something that I'm going to be talking about here in just a second. I've been promoting some 100% commission products. I didn't have to do anything to create those products. I just drew up a couple of emails, sent them to my list, and when a sale comes in, the money comes directly to me. I'll be telling you guys all about this. So since I didn't do any of the product creation, I created a product as a bonus. And this product that I created is a webinar with me where they can get on the phone and we're going to talk about what they're learning through the product they just bought from me. I'm going to be giving them some ideas to implement it and some other stuff I can't even remember. It's good stuff. So let's talk about the formula for profitable emails. 1, killer subject line that is benefit driven. This will help you do. This will cure blank. This will make you a bazillionaire. All of those types of subject lines. When you first start writing your email, relate to them emotionally. I've been where you are. I understand what you're going through. Stir up some emotion. I got really pissed off when marketer A sold me this package and it was just a bunch of crap and yada, yada, yada. Really try and get a rise out of people. Get their emotions going. Once you've got their emotions going and you're talking about their problem, then instantly solve that problem with something that's going to make you money. Once you tell them how they can solve the problem, XYZ course, give them a call to action. Go right now to this link and get XYZ course. And you always want to create urgency. Always, 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 always. A lot of times people read an email and there's no go get this now. There's only 100 left. I'm only giving 20 bonuses. A lot of people go, okay, well, I'll get to that. And they'll put it in their to-read box. How many of you guys have a to-read file in your email? I do, and it has like 6,000 emails in it. So a lot of times, people just don't get to that. So you have to have some kind of urgency that makes them go get it right now. You've got to give them a reason to act right now. And I want to share something with you guys. There's a show that comes on, I can't remember what channel, maybe is it Bravo or A&E? It's one of the cable channels, but it's a show called Flipping Out. And the gentleman that's on it, his name is Jeff Lewis. And he is, in short words, very hard to work for. And he has a staff, and he's just like a slave driver, And like I was telling Jeff about it last night, they brought him a Starbucks coffee, and he's like, oh, "This is 140 degrees. I wanted it at 135." He's very, very uppity, quite the diva, and he's had to kind of step back in his business because the real estate market just went, totally tanked. And so he's had to step back because he flips houses. I meant to tell you that. He flips houses. He buys them, does a couple little things to them, and sells them for a lot more money. And that's not working anymore because $1 million houses that were worth $1 million are worth like $2,000 now. So you can't buy a house for $5,000 and sell it for $600,000 even anymore. So he was thinking about how he could change up his business with the market. And is what he did, instead of buying the $1 million houses, he's buying like $50,000 and $60,000 houses and flipping them for like $100,000. Much less profit margin, but he does a lot more volume. So, is what I did. I found some really, really good 100% commission products. Okay? Just like I told you guys, I gave them bonuses for buying. And like I said, you didn't spend any time creating it, so why not create a bonus? You can do webinars, interviews, quick start guides. Go through it. Pull out step number 1 should be this. Step number 2 should be this. Step number 3, quick start guides. I'm telling you what, I have done so many quick start guides, and they always make people buy because they want to know how to get started with the quick start program, the Make Money in a Day program they just got. They want to know how to even get started quicker. So quick start guides are great to do. Adding resale rights products. I create resale rights products in every niche possible, I think. I think we have, the last count was 144, but that was a couple months ago, so it's probably close to about the 155, 160 mark, and they're in all kinds of different niches. You can sell these products. Just because they're resale rights products doesn't mean they're crap. You need to look at them because a lot of them are. So look at your resale rights product. If it's a good product, you get good information out of it. Maybe you already know the information. Just because you know the information doesn't mean it's a crap product, because there's always going to be other people out there that know less than you. Now, is what I did also is I had upsells to the products, the resale rights products. So a resale rights product is a product you get, and when you buy it, you have the right to sell that product. Does everybody understand that? Okay. So is what I did is I had an upsell. Buy Super Sign-Up System. When you push the button, you buy the $17 product. It then goes to a page that offers a little bit of help, actually a lot of help. It's an awesome offer. Shameless plug. But it offers coaching to help them. But is the main thing behind it is I install the resale rights product for them. I put up their sales page, I do their download page, their order button, the whole thing. And then they get coaching from me on how to use that. So is what I want to do here, yep, that's my last slide. This is a really, really cool concept that I want to show you guys. Because while I've been away this week, it looks like I'm pushing the $10,000 mark using nothing but resale rights products and 100% commission products. So, let me show you guys how this worked. Day 1, 100% commission product. Okay? Created an email, loaded it into the AR. So that was, I think that was the 20th. Had a bonus. It was a webinar. Found a really, really cool resale rights product. The first one I promoted was one-time offer blueprints. It's a resale rights product that teaches you how to set up your own one-time offers. Took that one. I'll call it OTO Blue here. Put it in the AR for the 21st. I may be a couple days off on my dates. Now, for this one, this was $17 here. When they came here to buy this, if they bought this, they were then taken to an OTO page for $97. If they said yes here, then they go and they get their OTO. So you take them to the download page. If they said no, they went away happy with their $17 product for that download page. Number 3, found another resale rights product. This was Super Sign-Up System. Same thing, same exact thing right here. Most of the money is coming in off that $97 OTO. A lot of these people are coming here and they're paying the $17 gladly. You know, I probably had 100 to 150 sales on just the resale rights products. And I'm not sure the conversion on this OTO from